What is Ansible, and how does it differ from other configuration management tools? Ansible is an open-source automation tool that allows users to manage and configure systems, deploy applications, and orchestrate IT workflows. Unlike other configuration management tools like Chef and Puppet, Ansible is agentless, which means it does not require any software to be installed on the remote hosts. How do you set up an inventory file in Ansible? An inventory file in Ansible is used to define the hosts that Ansible will manage. To set up an inventory file, you can create a text file named hosts in the Ansible configuration directory and specify the IP addresses or hostnames of the managed hosts. How do you create a playbook in Ansible? To create a playbook in Ansible, you can use YAML syntax to define the tasks that Ansible should execute on the managed hosts. Playbooks consist of a series of plays, where each play contains a set of tasks to be executed on a specific group of hosts. How do you pass variables to a playbook in Ansible? You can pass variables to a playbook in Ansible using the command line option. For example, you can execute a playbook with the following command: Ansible playbook myplaybook.yml myvar equals myvalue. What is the difference between a task and a role in Ansible? A task in Ansible is a unit of work that performs a specific action, such as installing a package or configuring a service. A role in Ansible is a collection of tasks, variables, and templates that can be reused across multiple playbooks. How do you handle errors and retries in Ansible? Ansible provides the ignore _errors and until keywords to handle errors and retries. The ignore _errors keyword can be used to ignore errors and continue with the playbook execution, while the until keyword can be used to retry a task until a specific condition is met. What is an Ansible vault, and how do you use it? An Ansible vault is a feature that allows users to encrypt sensitive data, such as passwords and keys, in Ansible playbooks and inventory files. To use the vault, you can create an encrypted file using the Ansible vault command, and then reference the encrypted variables in your playbooks. How do you perform rolling updates in Ansible? To perform rolling updates in Ansible, you can use the serial keyword in your playbook to specify the number of hosts that should be updated at a time. This allows you to update the hosts in batches, while ensuring that the service remains available during the update process. How do you integrate Ansible with other tools and services? Ansible provides a wide range of modules and plugins that can be used to integrate with other tools and services, such as cloud providers, monitoring tools, and configuration management systems. You can also use the shell and command modules to execute external commands and scripts. How do you scale Ansible for large environments? To scale Ansible for large environments, you can use features such as dynamic inventories, which allow you to generate inventory files dynamically based on external data sources. You can also use Ansible Tower, which provides a web-based interface for managing Ansible playbooks, schedules, and job templates. Additionally, you can use the Ansible pull mode, which allows you to run Ansible playbooks on remote hosts without the need for a central control server.